Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. With QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can record a payment from a customer for services you'll deliver in the future and then recognize the revenue over time. Let's go over how to turn on the revenue recognition setting, then set up a service that you'll invoice for once and recognize the revenue for each month. Then, invoice a customer for the service and look at the revenue recognition schedule. First, select Settings. Then Account and Settings. Select the Sales tab, and then select the Products and Services section. Select Revenue Recognition and save. Then select Done. Now that you've turned on revenue recognition, you'll see new options when you set up a service item. Select Settings, Products and Services. Then select New, Service. This business offers a membership where they invoice customers once for a year's worth of lawn mowing services and then recognize the revenue every month. Name the service. Enter a description you'd like to appear on invoices you send to customers. Then enter what you charge for the full term of the membership, and assign an income account QuickBooks will use when it recognizes your revenue over time. Select the checkbox, I recognize revenue for this product monthly. When you invoice your customer for the service, QuickBooks uses this liability account to categorize the funds you'll receive. Then over time, QuickBooks will automatically decrease this liability account and increase the balance for your income account. You select the frequency and for how long. QuickBooks automatically adjusts your liabilities and income here. This company recognizes revenue from the membership plan every month and charges for a year's worth of services. Select Save and Close. Now it's time to invoice a customer for the membership. Select New, Invoice. Fill in the customer's name and other details like normal. Then enter the service in the Product Service field. QuickBooks automatically enters the description you recorded earlier, but you can customize it here. Use today's date or any date after today as the service date. Right now you're invoicing the customer for one full term of the membership, which lasts a year. It's important to remember that the quantity is not the number of months you're charging them for, it's how many full terms you're charging for. Fill in any remaining details and select Save and Send to email the invoice to the customer. Let's take a look at the invoice and see how QuickBooks tracks revenue over time. Select View Revenue Recognition, and QuickBooks displays when you'll recognize revenue, what the balance of the liability account will be, the amount you'll recognize, and the total amount you'll have recognized at that time. QuickBooks recognizes revenue at the end of each month. Now you're ready to set up and use revenue recognition in QuickBooks Online Advanced.